guys, let's unbox with me. This is the parcel that I've received from smitten.com and let's unbox it. इसमें सारी mini चीजें रहती है, तो I just love unboxing those mini cute things. I love the script papers as I mentioned before. Let's see क्या आया है. It's something shining. मुझे shines दिख रही है. Oh, love it. That's so cute. This is Brillare Rose Coconut Body Lotion. This is the body lotion. And this is from Glow and Lovely Glass Bright Ultra Light Gel Cream Niacinamide plus Hyaluronic Serum. I have to make a video on this and I'll soon update you with the video. तब तक के लिए stay tuned. Bye.